Hey guys, I'm Cara Di Falco with Cara's Cucina. I have special guest with me today, Beth Nydick, co-author of Clean Cocktails.
Clean Cocktails, exactly.
Love it. So, and we are chilling at the bar at Pig and Prince in Montclair, and Beth is going to show us how to make one of her amazing clean cocktails so you can help celebrate the holidays. Beth,
Yes.
what are we making?
This is one of my favorites. This is called the Day Drinker.
I like it.
It's a good thing to have on a Sunday afternoon, on a Thursday night,
This is brunch.
brunch. This is really one of those every time, all the time, every time of the year because it's got great ingredients.
Okay.
First, let's go through the ingredients.
Yes.
We have fresh lemons,
Mhm.
coconut sugar, which I like a lot better than any other of those other simple syrups and sugars. It does lower your GI, meaning it doesn't spike your insulin so fast. It tastes really good. It has lots of depth of flavor. Sage is one of my favorite herbs, not only for cooking but for drinks as well.
I love it.
We have gin. We're using Saint Germain today, which is my favorite right now.
Okay.
I know you know it. Fresh squeezed grapefruit juice, which I did squeeze this morning.
Very
and
nice.
some ice.
Okay.
Let's put it all together and we make it. Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so first we're gonna put a quarter of a lemon. So I cut up some lemon quarters. We're gonna put this in here. And to really get the juices and the oils from the lemon, we're gonna add the coconut sugar because you can see it's like granule.
Yeah.
It's got like nice texture to it, so we're gonna put that in. And a little bit of the sage. Oop. Do you like sage?
I
use
love
it?
sage.
It smells so
It
good,
smells
right?
so good.
Let's
And
put that-
especially this time of year for around the holidays.
Exactly. So we're just gonna. This is where you get your workout. We're gonna muddle.
Okay.
So
Yeah. So
muddling.
you're earning your cocktails.
Exactly. Muddling is squishing. Is that what I call it? It's really squishing the oils and the juices and the, out of the lemon. And you really, a lot of my clients are like, but how much do I muddle? I'm like, more than you think you should, because you really want to get everything in there. If it looks nice and bruised and nice and smushed up, then you know you got it right.
You know you got it right.
Exactly. Exactly. So we're gonna do that a little bit more. And you'll see that the coconut sugar kind of melts into the lemon, and that's really what you're looking for.
And you're doing all this in your shaker because ultimately we're going to shake this all
exactly.
together.
A shaker. So I use 2 ounces of vodka, 2 ounces of gin. 2 ounces.
Go for it.
Yeah. And then 2 ounces of grapefruit juice. Fresh squeeze this morning, of course. Nice bit of ice. We're gonna shake that up. Now you can even put it.
I was like, let me step out of the way.
You want to really shake it until your hands get cold. Okay? Like a little too cold, then you know it's ready.
I like that. That's like a good way to tell something. It's like you'll know that.
Exactly, you'll know it. So you have to. Because sometimes it gets stuck. And with this drink, I really pour everything back right into the glass. Ice and all. You top it up with a little bit more ice if you like. A little more of the sage, a little more of the lemon. And then I love to garnish it with a nice big grapefruit slice and some sage, and that's it.
I love it. This looks beautiful. I'm going to
Yeah.
give this a shot. Let's see. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's very good. Very flavorful.
It is my favorite. Like, I'll go to a party and bring a picture of it for myself.
You think it would be really... I love it. You would think it would be super bitter. I would think it would be bitter from the grapefruit, which is not normally my favorite thing,
Right.
but it's that coconut sugar just levels everything out. This is delicious. Beth, thank you so much, guys.
Thank
You
you.
can find this recipe at caradifalco.com. You can find Beth and her book at bluebarnkitchen.com.
Yes.
And the book is Clean Cocktails, and it's also available on Amazon, so be sure to check it out. Once again, we're hanging out here at the Pig and the Prince. I'll see you guys next time. Salut!